Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your iPhone which is stuck in SOS mode on Verizon. So you also fix for your network reset, SIM or eSIM as well as your carrier. Fix 1. Toggle your airplane mode. Open Control Center, turn airplane mode on. Wait for 30 seconds and then turn airplane mode off and check for signal. Fix 2. Restart the iPhone. Turn the iPhone off, wait for 30 seconds, turn it back on. Check if Verizon service returns. Fix 3. Check for a carrier settings update. Go to Settings, select General, and from there go to About. Wait for a few seconds. If prompted, tap Update to install the Verizon carrier settings. Fix 4. Reset network settings. Go to Settings, select General, then select Transfer or Reset iPhone and select Reset. Tap on Reset Network Settings, enter your passcode and confirm. The iPhone will restart and reconnect to Verizon. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and also do hit the subscribe button.